The three newly elected MLAs from Rajabala constituency, Mawphlang and Mawryngkneng constituency have been inducted today here in Shillong City under the Speaker met by Lyngdoh and also with other several MLAs part of the ceremony today here in Shillong City.
Good afternoon, everyone. We will now proceed with the oath-taking ceremony of the three newly elected members from 13 Mawphlang Assembly Constituency, 24th Mawphlang Assembly Constituency, and 47th Rajabala Assembly Constituency. The Commissioner and Secretary will read out the names, and each member will take oath by turn.
One and a half years, for me to be honest, is a very short time for me to really do anything, of what I have in mind. But for my first priority as of now is to complete as much work as I can of the works, the schemes that my dad have put before he passed away. So my utmost sincere work is to complete them as much as I can within this coming year.
The remaining 1 year and 4 months which is left now in this term, I'll try my level best to bring development to the constituency and also to take part in assembly to discuss important issues relating with issues with the state government and the state as a whole, like the ILP, the border issues, and also the farmers' issues that I want to stress that these issues are very important for our people and for our state.
The three MLAs from NPP MLA from Rajabala constituency, Abdus Saleh, and Mawphlang MLA who won from the Mawphlang constituency, Eugeneson Lyngdoh, who is a UDP candidate, and from Mawryngkneng constituency, Pyniaid Syiem, who won from the Mawryngkneng constituency as an NPP candidate. All these three candidates who are now who have been sworn in as MLAs to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly were very happy that now they'll be able to serve and have also assured to give their best in this remaining years, that is 1.5 years, to give their best and carry forward the works that have been left behind by the former MLAs. This is Princess Rashir for EastMojo.com in Shillong.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.